Murimu wa COVID-19 uthiete uthireti ururu wa gutamba kwagwo. Ministry yogima wa mwiri kiuga ni kumana na kurumiriro kwa mitaratara iri yebeanitwo ni Ministry yogima wa mwiri ya kuraibaniriria gwikira maski odumwe na kwithamba njara kaingi.
Again, I want to say very clearly that this is not time for us to relax and say our peak has flattened and we relax the measures that we have put in place. In fact, if anything, we must heighten these measures, because if indeed it's happening, it's because of the measures that we have put in place.
Mweri-ini wa kathatuliria murimu wa COVID-19 watuthukire bururi-ini, ministry yatanyaga gukinyeria mweri-ini wa kanana na mweri-ini wa kenda nirio murimu uyu ugakorwo kinyetie gacumbiri koboro no mugaru no guo gutamba kwagwo ni bindi guikuruka na one kumana na kugwa kwa namba ya arwaru eru a murimu uyu aria maraniriro o muthenya ukiringithania na bau kabere.
373 people have tested positive following testing of 4,663 samples over the last 24 hours.
We are making progress, but we need to maintain these measures so that we can see us hitting the magical 5% positivity rate.
Ministry yogima wa mwiri yandikithitie andu 373 ta arwaru eru a murimu wa COVID-19 thutha wa kuthima andu 4,663 namba ya arwaru othe igikinya andu 33,389. Ndeto njega ni ati namba nene ya arwaru no irathie na mbere kubora. Ministry yogima wa mwiri kiuga andu 72 ni maborete na aria othe matoretie ndwari ino magikinya andu 19,368. Ibinda-ini riu andu angi 3 ni makwite na riu ikuo ciothe bururi-ini ni 567.
More than 60% of our discharges to date or our recoveries are from home-based care, and you can also be able to extrapolate that to see the magnitude of saving that the country has made.
Mayamo keterere gikundi gitari gya kithirikari kia JICA kuma bururi-ini wa Japan kibianite uteithio wa indo 50,000 cia kubuthika kwigita murimu wa COVID-19 kuri rubonge rwa thuthuria KEMRI.
Japan has also disbursed to Kenya around 340 million Kenya shillings through UNDP and the UNICEF.
Obo thirikari ino ni kubeana ngari 10 cia ambulance kuri thirikari ya Kenya unyitaniri-ini wa gutoria ndwari ya COVID-19. Ona gutweka bururi wa Kenya ni gatagati-ini ka mabururi maria murimu wa COVID-19 wambiriirie guikuruka na thi, Ministry yogima wa mwiri yugite gikite gitumi kiganu gia kuregeria musibi ni amu mitaratara iri koretwe kibuthiro ya gakurumiriro murimu uyu wabota kwambatira o ringi. Ngeribotera Inoro TV de county-ini ya Nairobi, njitagwo Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.